Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change the time and date settings on Microsoft Surface Pro X. And to do this you'll need to open up the Start, go to the settings. Here find the setting, enter time. Date and time settings. Now you can disable the automatic date and time and set the time manually. Now adjust the date and the time also. Click on change when you're ready and the time should be changed. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.